Welcome to Mortgage Matters, the podcast on all things mortgage related. Whether you're a first-time buyer, buying your next home, or simply curious about the world of mortgages, this is the podcast for you. Join us as we delve into the intricacies of the mortgage industry. We're going to uncover valuable insights, expert tips, and more to help you navigate the complex world of home financing. From understanding different types of mortgages to demystifying loan jargon, from maximizing your borrowing power to managing your mortgage payments, Mortgage Matters covers it all. So, tune into Mortgage Matters and empower yourself with the knowledge you need to make informed decisions about one of life's most important financial decisions. Welcome! Today we're diving into an essential topic for veterans and active duty service members, VA loans. Owning a home is a significant milestone, and it can be an especially meaningful achievement for those who have served our country. At First Nation Financial, we understand veterans' unique challenges when transitioning to civilian life and striving for home ownership. That's why we're committed to helping veterans take full advantage of VA loans, a valuable benefit that can make buying a home more accessible and affordable. VA loans are designed specifically to support those who have served in the military, offering benefits that cater to their unique financial situations. In this episode, we're going to explore the ins and outs of VA loans, from eligibility requirements to the application process, and showcase how First Nation Financial can assist veterans in securing their dream homes with minimal hassle. Whether you're a first-time homebuyer or looking to refinance, our team will guide you every step of the way. So let's get started. So what exactly are VA loans? VA loans are mortgage loans issued by private lenders, such as banks and mortgage companies, but guaranteed by the U.S. Department of Veteran Affairs, commonly known as the VA. This program was established in 1944 through a bill known as the GI Bill to help veterans, active duty service members, and their eligible surviving spouses become homeowners. VA loans offer several advantages over traditional mortgage loans. These benefits include no down payment requirement, competitive interest rates, and no need for private mortgage insurance. The VA's backing reduces the risk for lenders, making them more willing to offer favorable terms to qualified veterans. In addition to purchasing a home, VA loans can be used to refinance an existing mortgage or make home improvements. This makes VA loans attractive for veterans looking to secure their dream home or enhance their living conditions. At First Nation Financial, we specialize in helping veterans navigate the complexities of the VA loan process, ensuring they understand and maximize the benefits available to them. Our dedicated team is here to support you from application to closing, making home ownership a reality for those who served our country. Here are the eligibility requirements. Understanding the eligibility requirements is the first step in taking advantage of VA loans. Here's a detailed look at who qualifies for a VA loan. 1. Service requirements. Veterans. Veterans must generally have served a minimum period of active duty, typically 90 days during wartime to 181 days during peacetime. Active duty service members. Currently serving members must have completed at least 90 days of continuous active duty. National Guard and Reserve members, those who have served at least 6 years in the Select Reserve or National Guard and are honorably discharged, placed on the retired list, or continue to serve in the Selective Reserve. Surviving spouses. Unremarried spouses of veterans who died while in service or as a result of service-connected disability may also be eligible. In some cases, remarried spouses may qualify if they remarry after age 57 or after December 16, 2003. 2. Certificate of Eligibility. To prove eligibility, borrowers must obtain a certificate of eligibility from the VA. This certificate can be obtained through the VA's e-benefit portal, by mail, or through the assistance of First Nation Financial. We can streamline this process for you, ensuring you have the documentation to proceed. 3. Credit and income requirements. While the VA does not set a minimum credit score requirement, most lenders will have their own criteria, typically requiring a credit score of around 620 or higher. Applicants must have a stable income and a reasonable debt-to-income ratio. The VA typically prefers a debt-to-income ratio of 41% or less, though higher ratios may be accepted with compensating factors. 4. Property requirements. The property must be for personal occupancy, and it has to meet the VA's minimum property requirements to ensure it is safe, sound, and sanitary. This includes single-family homes, condominiums, and some multi-unit properties. First Nation Financial is here to help you understand and meet these eligibility requirements. Our team will guide you through each step from obtaining your certificate to meeting credit and income qualifications, ensuring you can fully benefit from a VA loan. Your path to home ownership starts with understanding these key criteria, and we're dedicated to making the process as smooth as possible. Here are a few benefits of the VA loans. VA loans offer numerous advantages that make home ownership more accessible and affordable for veterans, active duty service members, and their family. Understanding these benefits can help you make an informed decision about pursuing a VA loan. Here are some of the key benefits. One of the most significant benefits of a VA loan is that it often requires no down payment. This can make purchasing a home much more accessible, especially for those who may not have substantial savings. 2. Competitive interest rates. VA loans typically offer lower interest rates compared to conventional loans. This can result in significant savings over the life of a loan, making home ownership more affordable. 3. No private mortgage insurance. Unlike conventional loans that require private mortgage insurance if the down payment is less than 20%, VA loans do not require this. This can save borrowers hundreds of dollars each month. 4. Flexible credit requirements. While VA loans do have credit standards, they tend to be more flexible than those of conventional loans. This can make it easier for borrowers with less than perfect credit to qualify. 5. Limits on closing costs. The VA places limits on the amount borrowers can be charged for closing costs. This helps to keep upfront expenses more manageable. 6. Lifetime benefits. The VA loan benefit can be used multiple times. As long as you pay off your previous VA loan, you can use your benefit again to purchase a second home. Assumable loans. VA loans are assumable, meaning if you sell your home, the buyer can take over your loan, providing they meet the lender's requirement. This can be an attractive selling point in a rising interest rate environment. 8. Assistance in times of trouble. The VA provides foreclosure avoidance advocacy to help veterans who might be struggling with their mortgage. This can include negotiating with the lender on your behalf and offering financial counseling. 9. Refinancing options. The VA offers the interest rate reduction refinance loan, which allows you to refinance your existing VA loan to a lower interest rate. This process is typically simpler and faster than traditional refinancing methods. At First Nation Financial, we are committed to helping you leverage these benefits to achieve your dream of home ownership. Our experienced team is going to guide you through every step of the VA loan process, and we will ensure you understand and maximize all the advantages available to you. How do you apply for a VA loan? Applying for a VA loan involves several steps, but with the right guidance, the process can be straightforward and stress-free. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you understand how to apply for the VA loan. First, determine your eligibility. Before you can apply for a VA loan, you need to determine if you meet the eligibility requirements. This includes veterans, active duty service members, and some members of the National Guard and Reserve. You will need a certificate of eligibility from the VA, which confirms your eligibility for the loan. Step 2, obtain your certificate of eligibility. You can obtain your certificate in one of three ways. 1, apply online. Visit the VA's e-benefit portal to apply for your certificate online. 2, apply by mail. Complete VA Form 26-1880 and mail it to the appropriate address listed on the form. 3, through your lender. Many lenders can help you obtain your certificate through an automated system. Step 3, find a VA-approved lender. Not all lenders offer VA loans, so it's important to find one that is approved by the VA. First Nation Financial is a trusted, VA-approved lender with extensive experience in helping veterans and service members secure VA loans. 4, pre-qualification and pre-approval. Pre-qualification. This is an initial step where you provide basic financial information to the lender to get an estimate of how much you can afford. Pre-approval. This step involves a more thorough review of your financial situation, including your income, credit, and employment history. Getting pre-approved shows sellers that you are a serious buyer and can help you stand out in a competitive market. 5, start house hunting. With your pre-approval in hand, you can begin searching for your new home. It's beneficial to work with a real estate agent who has experience with VA loans to help you navigate the process. 6, make an offer and sign a purchase agreement. Once you find the home you like, you're going to make an offer. If the seller accepts, you'll sign a purchase agreement, which is a legally binding contract to buy the home. 7, VA appraisal and underwriting. Your lender will order a VA appraisal to ensure the property meets the VA's minimum property requirements and is valued appropriately. During this time, the lender's underwriting team will review all aspects of your loan application to ensure you meet all the requirements. 8, close the loan. If the appraisal and underwriting go smoothly, you'll move to closing. At closing, you'll sign the final documents, pay any closing costs, and get the keys to your new home. 9, move in. Congratulations! After closing, you can move into your new home and start enjoying the benefits of home ownership. At First Nation Financial, we're dedicated to guiding you through each step of the VA loan application process. Our experienced team is here to answer your questions, provide expert advice, and ensure you have a smooth and successful experience. If you live in the Houston area, here are a few VA loan limits in Houston. Understanding the loan limits for VA loans is crucial, especially if you're looking to buy a home in a specific area like Houston. While the Department of Veteran Affairs does not set a maximum loan amount for VA loans, there are limits on the amounts they will guarantee without requiring a down payment. These limits are known as VA loan limits, and they vary by county. In 2024, the VA loan for a single-family home in Harris County, which includes Houston, is set at $766,550. This is the maximum amount that can be borrowed without a down payment for those with full VA loan entitlement. A down payment may be required if the home's price exceeds this limit. Here are a few changes to VA loan limits. As of 2020, there are no loan limits for veterans with full entitlement. This means that eligible veterans can borrow more than the county loan limit without needing a down payment as long as they have full entitlement. For veterans with partial entitlement, such as those buying a second home while still owning a first home purchased with a VA loan, the loan limits do apply. In these cases, exceeding the loan limit of $766,550 in Harris County could classify the loan as a VA jumbo loan, which may have different requirements, including a down payment. Here are some factors affecting VA loan limits. 1. Entitlement. Your entitlement is the amount the VA will guarantee, which directly affects your loan limits. Full entitlement means no loan limits, while partial entitlement could impose limits. Property type. Loan limits can also vary based on the type of property you're purchasing. Multiple family homes typically have higher limits. Here is why knowing your loan limit is very important. 1. Budgeting. Understanding your loan limit helps you set a realistic budget for your home purchase. 2. Down payment requirements. Knowing the limits can help you determine if you'll need a down payment for your desired home. At First Nation Financial, we're here to help you navigate VA loans limits and ensure you fully understand your borrowing potential. Our knowledgeable team can provide detailed information tailored to your situation, ensuring you make informed decisions about your home purchase. Securing a VA loan can be a game changer for veterans and active duty service members looking to achieve the dream of home ownership. With benefits like no down payment, competitive interest rates, and flexible qualification requirements, VA loans offer an accessible path to buying a home. At First Nation Financial, we specialize in helping you make the most of these benefits, guiding you through every step of the process. Whether you're just starting to explore your options or are ready to apply, our experienced team is here to support you. From understanding VA loan limits in Houston to navigating the application process, we provide the expertise and personalized service you need to succeed. But don't let the complexities of the mortgage process deter you from achieving your home ownership goals. Visit our website or call us directly. Together, we're going to make your dream of owning a home a reality. Thanks for listening to this episode. If you found this information helpful, share it with a fellow veteran or service member who might benefit. Until next time, stay safe and happy house hunting. Ready to take the first step towards home ownership? Contact First Nation Financial today to schedule a consultation with one of our experienced professionals. Together, we'll make your dream of owning a home a reality.